Have you ever wondered what the smart money is using to consistently make profitable trades, even in the most volatile markets? One of the most powerful tools in their arsenal is the Fibonacci retracement, a concept that has been widely used by professional traders for decades. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Fibonacci levels and show you exactly how to use them to make informed trading decisions. The Fibonacci retracement is based on the work of Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, who discovered a sequence of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. This sequence appears in various aspects of nature, from the arrangement of leaves on a stem to the branching of trees. In trading, Fibonacci levels are used to identify key areas of support and resistance, where the price of an asset is likely to reverse or consolidate. So, how do we use Fibonacci retracement in trading?